here we have our voltage reading, and if we go to our current reading, we'll still have the same kind of odd readings that we've been getting. But today I realized we can validate what we were talking about yesterday, which is that the path between the block and the water is zero resistance. And so whenever we're trying to measure this current here, we're asking the meter how many electrons are flowing through the meter into the water. And without the battery giving us a clean reference point and a good place for those electrons to travel to, it's just much easier for them to flow through a zero resistant path directly into the water. That's why these readings here don't actually represent corrosion current at all. It just represents a snippet of what's happening. The only thing that we do know that stands out is when we remove both anodes, or we remove the factory anode, we got much lower readings and positive readings as well. So these readings are giving us an idea of the engines being protected. And because there's an anode so close to the thermostat, this engine is somewhat protected. This engine should be completely protected. And what that means is, even if there's a little bit of current in that aluminum, then the atoms, when they corrode or positively charged, they can stick because there's current flowing. If we have eradicated all of the current out of this engine, then when those atoms do corrode from my zinc, they can't actually stick inside the motor because there's no current to attract them there. That's what we should be able to see tomorrow when we crack this baby open to look for the 100 hours. We should see that this one is just continually getting dirty, and this one should have cleaned out the deposits that formed over the first 50 hours.
Visit waterdogoutboard.com and get your motor protected today.